How is everyone doing? I got a new check, so I'm thinking of taking the family out for dinner. We're gonna have sushi. We're gonna do Japanese. Yeah, that's all good. Now my mom's still at work, and I am, I am just here, and I'm not sure whether I can get days off to go to do whatever I want to do. So I'm creating a new machine. Let me see. Wait. New machine. We're gonna give it 20 gigabytes. Change this. Not raise suspicion with whoever's using this PC. ISO image, we're gonna fetch that from this here drive. I'm gonna give it 2048 megabytes, so 2 gigs. And CPUs, I think 2 will be fine. Maybe even 3 or 4. 2 will be fine. I'm not gonna do anything heavy on it. 8 gigs. Let's make that 22. Should be enough. It's way more than enough. But this pre-allocated. Next. There we go. Finish it. So it's not going to pre-allocate the space to the disk drive, and then we'll be running off of this. What I'm going to do is directly write bit by bit to this hard drive, and then we're going to install persistence on this key. What is persistence? Persistence is when you have an entire operating system on a drive where it can persistently save data and save settings and save files. So basically any computer, whether it be Mac, Windows, so like Intel or AMD, doesn't really matter. And the thing is, you can do whatever you want with it. So you can plug it into a laptop, a full-size desktop. TVs, I'm not too sure if you get the right architecture and like got it to boot up. I don't think that will work as easily as I think it make it out to be. But yes, so that's what we're working on now. We're gonna try to set up a connection on the local host. So it's gonna forward a couple connections. As you can see, we are on Wi-Fi. So our PC is gonna get Wi-Fi connection. This eye is really mushy. You have to press it really hard for it to register. So let's see. We got this main wireless LAN adapter. Client in.local. These are its addresses. DHCP servers. And our NetBIOS is enabled over TCP. That's probably not for us. Bluetooth is here. Wireless LANs that are disconnected. Then our VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. We're gonna sit under this. So we will get 192.198.56.1, and then ours will be one under it. Host name is desktop NBUSKHI. Yeah, that's basically it. I think a couple gigs went over this one. I'm not too sure how much went over it. And then on the housing project, we actually got a reply, and we're gonna go to a new housing project soon, which will allow us to leave the building and come whenever we want. When it's at least until in between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. we can leave and come wherever we want, whenever we want. And then I also applied for a little job to save a little extra for going to the States. And I could just walk there. It's a 5-minute walk from there. It's a warehouse. And then the library is pretty much near. Holy shit, 80 gigs went over this. 80 gigabytes went over this network. That's crazy. That's actually cray. That's actually cray. So still allocating that 20 gigabytes. Can we still use it while it's doing something? No, it's definitely still stuck. So yes, that's all basically. We tried running League of Legends just a couple hours ago. That didn't really work. Not sure what's up. Maybe it has to do with the 8 gigabytes going over it. It's a lot of stuff. 80 gigabytes is a lot, but maybe YouTube got used and we download some packs for FL Studio. It's around somewhere 20 gigs. So on Ethernet, we have this VirtualBox host only adapter. This is not connected. We cannot get Ethernet connection out of just now, which is probably going to be a problem if we want to connect up our full-size PCs to it. Because, obviously when gaming, so there's Bluetooth, Ethernet, Ethernet 3, and then this Ethernet 3 is the VirtualBox. Probably has 0 bytes gone over it. Speed is 1 gig, that doesn't really matter. Details. So actually no traffic has gone over this wire yet. Excuse 0 send, 0 received. And then this Wi-Fi over here, it's going pretty crazy. You can see sent 11 billion, received 20 billion. That's a lot of data going over it. But its uptime is 1 day. Speed is 130 megabytes. The link. IPv4 and 6 I'm not enabled. SSID. Alright. Let's see. That 3 is unresponding. We should give it different names. VirtualBox host. Something like along those lines or something there. Anyways. Com surrogate. What is that then? Let's wait a little bit. So quality of service, NDIS, bridge networking driver, lots of things here. Now, ideally, we'd work differently. We'd work like on virtual machines only, but I'm doing it differently. I'm working on a physical device. Well, I'm still haven't made my mind up on it. Doing on stream is extra stupid, but it's alright. It's 80% there. 9,241 is higher than the recommended bitrate. We recommend user unit of 2,500. They recommend us 2,500. You know what? We'll go with it. We'll try lowering the bitrate. Video. Oh, we cannot edit this while the stream is live. So we're actually like well over 4 times the recommended bitrate. That's intensive. Oh, it says 80 gigabytes. Now I know where the 80 gigabytes came from. I'll show you where the 80 gigabytes came from. I will show you where these 80 gigabytes came from, dude. I actually know. You're gonna be amazed or not, but I won't be amazed. But we did the stream for like 5 hours. That's where the 80 gigabytes came from. 5 hours, and then we also did sleeping stream. We did a lot. So here's the sleep stream. That's 230 hours. And there's music production, 4 hours and 48 minutes, and then we get to hang out for like almost 2 hours. A little game that didn't really run for 20 minutes. 21 subs, that's not a lot. Hopefully you can boost that a little bit. Finally get, okay, so here's the drive. Now we're gonna plug this drive in, 32 gigabytes of a Samsung drive, very tiny. Plug that in. It's not gonna be able to read it, of course, because it's formatted in a different way. So we're gonna add this controller. We're gonna add this serial bus, Samsung flash drive fit, and then system, boot, optical. Let me see. This disk and optical gotta go first. IO enabled. EFI, let's actually enable that. Processor, yeah, 2, acceleration, whatever. I'm not sure if this is gonna work right off the bat, but we're gonna try. So instead of having a boot here, we're using a USB, like Samsung flash drive fit. Let's see if you can read that. Probably not, because it's a boot drive. So we'll see. Here you go. I'll be surprised. It allows us to boot or to read it. Yeah, that's all right. I think it has the right system. Let's start it. Let's see if it works. We'll find out soon enough. In 2 minutes, I do think. Yeah. So all we're gonna do with formatting the disk drive through the command line interface. That's what we're gonna do. It's taking a long time to boot. So things going. It's gonna open additional windows. It's doing. Automatically capture the keyboard. Don't need that message. So we just lost our pen drive. It just stopped. VirtualBox failed to load. So DVD different. Will it give us a pick menu? Need to select. Oh, it's disabled. I just heard it unplug, so that's something. So plug it back in. It just completely disables it. Let's see. Maybe I have to use image burn to burn it as an image, or we could do something else. We could just copy the entire contents of a drive to an ISO. Contents of this drive this should go to an ISO. I think I can make that work. So I just copy this. We'll go to Documents. We'll go to Linux ISOs. There, and we'll create a new drive called. It should be a file actually. So how do we do that? I haven't got a clue. Let's stop that. Let's just paste everything in here. It's gonna be a little bit. Is it gone? Let's paste it. Yeah. If you want 10 gigs, how long is that gonna take? It's going pretty slowly. 11 minutes for physical write. Better be done faster than those 11 minutes. Just 4 gigs over from pen drive to this. Oh, is it a hard drive or is it an SSD? So for SSD. We'll see. Okay, 2 minutes is a lot better. So we're gonna create needle tutorial to turn an folder into ISO. See how we do that. Maybe just extract the archive or something like that. How to partition a drive into an ISO file. First, open a folder, click on Make ISO. Make ISO. How does that work? I don't think we have Make ISO as a drop down menu option. We'll have to see. Next, click the browser and select folder you want to convert to an ISO. Next, click on Choose ISO and select Save Location. Let's check this one out too. 5 tools, yeah, so image burn is probably what we're going to use. IMG burn. So let's grab IMG burn. Actually, let's grab that from Night. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll be able to do this. I need to ISO, any burn, WinCD emulator, mburn. Yeah, that's my option. Next launch date. I find desktop this burn. Search the navigate to launch the tool. The main create image from files. Okay, that's simple to do enough. Simple enough to do. Okay. If we get ourselves, we'll probably So we could grab some additional browsers, but I'm not sure. Should probably put that through to everyone's device, but they didn't want those additional browsers installed here. No. It's a little bit slow for the night's end. Still copying all of this. Almost done. So here we go. We're gonna grab IMG burn. There. If there's anything else we want, we can grab JDKs, Python 3s, FileZilla. Those things are all good. 7-zip, PZip, WinRAR. Good things to grab, but I'm just keeping it light. There's only one thing I need. Spotify, MediaMonkey, Handbrake, .NET, runtime libraries. But yeah, that's just all I want, so just grab this from the internet website. Is the download starting yet? Where's my download? There it is. It's probably going to be like 3 megabytes, I think. It's going to be tiny. Oh, 415 kilobytes, even smaller. Some dirty glasses I do have. Let me clean those up. So there you go. So this is still running, this machine. We don't need it to be running. Let's turn it off. So booting it off of this right pen drive was no success. As soon as the machine booted, the drive got disconnected, and then wouldn't do much after that. So what we did instead, we copied all the files from here to the drive that's on this laptop, and we're gonna now convert that folder that we pulled off of here to a ISO, which is just an image that you can run in the virtual machine. Very good. So yeah, I think it will be what's this? Set of diag. No longer need these sources. We don't need that. We don't need all of these. What's this? Setup error. Skip all of these, I guess. All right. Boot EFI and sources. Does that look the same to you as this drive was? Or are we missing some parts, some crucial parts? I think we had a couple that aren't now. Yeah, auto run boot manager. These things are not here, and so this was not a success. You know what? We'll just completely delete everything in here. We don't need it. We're gonna directly pull it from the place. So it's finished. It's our desktop. We should have this additional icon. Let's run it. Delete it so it doesn't look cluttered. The League of Legends is on there. That didn't run. We should delete it. The old sort image burn are loading. Please wait. It kind of looks great. No devices detected. So let me see. Create image for cell phone. Set them up. We're gonna look for a source here. The source is gonna be this here drive. No, this one. So it's gonna be drive D. We'll just give it drive D right there. That's what we need. And to the source, I'm gonna create that too. The source file is gonna be Kami Linux under documents, that's fine. Let me see. Did we overlook any settings? It's going to 300. No, that's not it. Yeah, so click this to run it, I think. Options. ISO, CDF, labels, ISO 9660. Volume indicator, I'm not sure. Advanced. We'll just try running this, I guess. So there it's going. And it's done. That was very fast. I'm so worried about how fast that was. I don't think it did something. We'll have a look. No, it did not do anything. As you can see. Oh, it just calculated the size that it's going to be. Now, what's this? How do we burn this? Oh, I have to click this. Build. Now it's doing it. Kami Linux. Do you want to use this volume label? It has created one. That did not do jack shit. Why is it running now? Because it can't be that fast. It's 3.7 gigs. It's going to take a little bit of time. Which is, it's not taking time. Let's do a little peek. Let's see if it's already created a file here. Let's peek at it. Yeah, there it is. That's 4,000 bytes, which is 4.35 gigs pre-allocated. Decent. Is it done yet? No. It's quite a lot bigger than I thought. It's almost 4.5 gigs. It is 4.5 gigs. It's alright. Just writing the image, it says here. Started that 1 minute ago. 4% left. 3. 2. 1% operation. Doesn't need to be that long. What a stupid song you played. Thank you, Image Burn, for the image. Now, I'm gonna insert that into our here virtual machine. Right up here. Choose a disk image, Kami Linux, logs. What happened here? And under documents. There it is. How big is that? 4.36. Okay, let's run it. Hopefully this works, fingers crossed. So the image is a little bit bigger. That could be fishy, but I'm not sure what it's about. See if it runs. If it doesn't run, I'll just grab bare bones Arch Linux and install the tools there. Is it running? Is it running? No bootable option device was found. Did we mess up the... Let's go to boot manager. UEFI VBox hard disk, no. Oh wait. I think we, device manager. No, it's not here. Let's exit that actually. Oops, I meant to send that to the machine, not to my own. I think we went here. This drive, why is it not booting? Oh, a lot of settings have been reset. I mean, I set this to 2048. And I also set this to U2. Yeah, that's still here. Oh, it's not. What was this on? That's probably best. What's up? What's wrong? Oh, it wouldn't accept the RAM values we gave it. So the only thing we changed is EFI. We disabled that. Maybe it runs now. Weird thing is the entire disk drive. Here. Oh, it's nothing here. What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? No medium found. This ISO is not running. Stupid. Oh, it's obviously live enable that. Maybe it runs now. And I saw a lot of errors then in the bottom. Where does it detect invalid settings? Maybe this port. Try enabling this port. COM. Which COM is it? Let's have a look at what COM it is. Let's see. Run. Universal serial bus devices. Oh, serial ports. We'll see how that goes. So the Samsung one. What COM port is it? D. What COM port is D? Flash drive fit. How we find out? I don't even know. Just delete that. Maybe that was invalid settings detected. Where? Where? Oh my goodness, did we change this? Did I change that? Where is the invalid settings? You know what? We're gonna just delete this machine. Oh shit. Just delete this machine. And then get a new one. No. Create a new machine. There. There. Select the drive. Come here. So. Windows 10. Detected OS type. Windows 10. Okay, so somewhere in writing. Yes, absolutely. Somewhere I'm writing this ISO we fucked up. It's now being recognized as a Windows system. I don't know if that's the problem. Let's just try it once more. What a trial and error session this has become. ISO image. This one, detect OS type, Windows 10, 64 bits. What's going on? Cannot write machine type. That's weird. Why is that? It's an extra X there. It should work. Oh wait, what's going on? Keep all these settings default. Let's use it. Existing drive. What the crap? I thought we had one. You know, we'll keep it as is. Finish. There, let's see if this runs at all. Give me that. So Okay, run. Fingers crossed. Is it working? Or is it not? No, it's not. Alright, then we're gonna do an arch install. So let me just update our titles. So call Linux is gonna be taken out of it. Arch Linux. Then a couple tags down here. We want to add Arch Linux. Bookshop. And to fully own it, we're gonna add noob. I'm gonna write noob with zeros. Okay, fun enough. Save it. So I just updated our title. This is still the old title, and let's grab the new title. Yeah, there it is. Guess we're gonna grab Arch Linux. I'm gonna do a couple guides to install this. Download. Grab a mirror. That is, let me see. Netherlands, Croatia, Czech, Czechia, Czechia, Hong Kong, wieder mal Langschlang, go back to Hong Kong. Vodka, then vodka is what we're gonna take. Ooh, doesn't work. Then let's try someone else's. Ooh, Belgian one. Actually, cu.b that runs this ISO or a compressed one. Let's just grab this exposed ISO and then checksums. Actually, no, let's take a fucking risk. I'm not checking checksums. SHA 256 for these ISOs. Then we're gonna need a tool that's gonna be able to check the SHAs. Just checksum. Windows 10, check those values. So I'm pretty sure the image we made does not actually comply with it. PowerShell get file apply hash. So we're gonna need PowerShell. PowerShell. Should run this as admin, I think. Not sure if it needs it or not. Run as admin. No, it's gonna run it. Run it back. Tell them what I'm coming at. I was on a BS then. I'm done with that. Scared what I didn't want. Scared what I wanted. And thought I was gonna. But I had to become a fact. I'm a beast. I'm a monster. A savage. Any other metaphor the coach you can imagine. They're not gonna capture for anybody asking. That is. I'm feeling fucking fantastic. Get file hash and then so path and then dash algorithm. SHA 256. 256. And that's going to drop this SHA value for us. Why is this so damn slow? It's slow, man. Let me take a shower. Be back. So, get hello. I typed something, why are you not reading it? File this or like this? With a capital H. Come on. And then you see downloads. See, oh my god, documents. Program files. Where do we go? Oh, it's bad. C users record. And then downloads. And then something that ends with ISO. The ISO. So you guess it? Does not get anything. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness, that's not what I want at all. It's in there. It's a lot of shizzles. So let's actually grab all the exes. File hash. Oh, I forgot to pass an algorithm. In the acts and ICs, and then the algorithm. Is that how you write algorithm? Algorithm is what I write. So the problem is it's barely readable, so that's why I like 2, 5, 6. Go. It's taking a long time to do that. Do that dance, do that dance. There is its hash. Hashish. Sheesh! Hashish! That's alright. That's gonna do it for every single exe in that fucking folder. Okay, let's have a look. Can actually plug this into the machine, but before we do that, let's cancel this then. Control C. Stop that. Stop it. You don't need to calculate every single exe in that file. Come on then. How many exes are in there? Too many. Stop it right now. I command you to stop what you're doing. How do we make it stop? Could you stop? Are you joking? Just got another power shell things. Kill that one, but only after we took its string. Just copy this one. Control C, Control V, don't sleep. Over dope beat. Let's drop that in there. Now, how's the ISO called? It's called Arch Linux. So I'm going to search Arch and it's an ISO. And then grab that. It's calculating its value. Does that look familiar to us? I'm not sure. Let's check. Yes, it matches. It matches. It matches. Alright, perfect. Then it's safe to use, I assume. We can also check it over here. Checksums. Yeah, that's the same, I think. Yes. Okay, then we're good. We're golden. Now we're gonna need an install guide. I'm sorry. let's add that CD right here. Let's add one. Okay, there's only 8 gigs. Is that okay? Let's make it 20 now. Go. Choose 7 gigs, right? Right, perfect. Now I should actually run it back, tell them what I'm coming at. I wasn't that bullshit. I'm done with that. Scared what I didn't want, scared of what I wanted. Thought that was finished, but I hardly had begun. In fact, I'm a beast, I'm a monster, a savage, and any other metaphor that you can imagine. And I gotta cash for anybody asks. There it is, I'm feeling fucking fantastic. So there it is. Let's make that big. Switch. Here we are, here we are, here we are, here we are. It's running. It's running. Let's not show that again. Go away. Probe and EDD. It's all okay. So while this is rolling out, I am going to grab a little drink. Lemonade, probably. See you in a bit. Yeah, okay. I'm back. I'm created with this beautiful thing. See. It's working. It's about 30 ms away from us. Huh? So I got this letter. I gotta check it. See what's in there. I'm thinking. I'm not sure what it might be. Let's see. They're requesting my document. And with under the threat that I'll have to pay for my own housing project. Whatever the fuck that was. Let's actually try to see what we got. GPG key server options. Let me just drop that to the side. Like that. And then get that right there. A little bit smaller. And write that out. Wait, this is not the thing I wanted. Let's look for the guide. So what we're gonna do is check the signature. Key server options auto key retrieve. Search verify Arch Linux version -86 -x86 64 .iso. We don't have that signature. What's it gonna do then? It's gonna fail. It's gonna fail. P and no GPG. Wait, GPG? Let's get a little coffee. No such file directory. Well, downloading the signature under checksums to the ISO directory and verifying it. We have curl. Let's get it in. Let me see. The ISO.sig is it, right? It just downloads it. I need it. Let me see what that is. So if I type this, get an additional notepad then? I think I typed that, that's no biggie. No typos allowed. .05.03 Arch Linux -223 -05.03 -x86 64 .iso.sig. That should be it. Pull that file. Ha! Not found. .223.05.03 Arch-Linux -2023-05-03 -x86 underscore. Oh, there should be an underscore. Got it. There we go. Oh. Binary output command will return reuse output to tell curl output to your terminal or consider dash output file to save. Okay. Dash output. Let me see. Output, and let's save it to should be saved to. Linux dash version dash x86 underscore 64.iso.sync. Cruise, don't make any mistakes there. So let's pull the file and we got it. Okay. Is that the signature? We'll see what it does. Can't open no such file or directory. Oh. Is it verifying? What's happening? Can't hash data file, no data. You know what, I trust it. It's in a VM, what's the worst it could do? Well, it could do damage for sure. But let me see. The installation guide. Alternative from existing Arch Linux installation. Oh, that's blame easier. Pacman-key. Pacman-key. Dash V for verify and Arch Linux dash version, and then we type that entire bitch out. Won't we have to do that? Dash version, oh my god. Dash x86 underscore 64.iso.sync. Let's go. Feature identified by Arch Linux could not be verified. Have I made a pay typo in? Should we trust it? Should we not trust it? Should we trust it or should we not trust it? Oh my god, I don't trust it. Let's just proceed with the installation anyways. I don't care. Oh, very nice. Oh, it's not booted as EFI. Let's fix that real quick. So let's just simulate EFI then. Simulate EFI. While it's rolling out, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at my stats. How many people are watching? No people are watching. 2 people are watching. Average view duration 42 seconds. That's not very long. Cup double check, cup double check, cup double check. Yeah. What the hell is wrong with me? So we're gonna go here to settings. Shut up, yes, settings. And enable EFI. And it's gonna boot to EFI. Perfect. So have that doing its thing. Doing its thing. Have that doing its thing. Have that doing its thing. Do its thing. Do your thing. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Do your thing. I'm gonna grab more coffee. It's time a little espresso chocolate. I want some kind of drug. Can't explain all the ways you've been getting me high. I want some kind of drug. Can't explain. Please don't keep me waiting all night. So baby, come through, come through. Back while they're running in my hotel room. So come through, come through. Bath water running in my hotel room. So come through. Is it loading? Is it failing to load? I'm gonna go out for a little cigarette. I got some beans. So what's happening, is it not loading up? Because we emulated the EFI? Or does it just need some time? What's happening? Let me send that a Control-Alt-Delete. Does not seem to reply to it. Is it running? What went wrong? Let me check the stream to see what the screen output was. What was the screen output? Let me check the stream to see what the screen output was. So baby, doing its thing. Have that doing its thing. Have that doing its thing. I think it did literally nothing.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Goed, we hebben een vriend aan het praten.
Sorry, then close your door, please.
Oh, okay. We about that pentesting, we're leaving them doors open, you feel me? So went to this bigger screen, started running, and then we had this window, tapped enter on it. Then what happened? Then it just got hung on the screen. I don't know. Then we just run it without EFI emulation, is what my guess is. So yeah, we're gonna run it without EFI emulation. Settings. Hello? Go. This sucks. Their computer's froze now. That fishy ISO we downloaded. What's going on? I'm gonna go out for a little cigarette. I'm gonna take you with me, show you the garden. Good, awfully slow this PC now. Let me just close this mouse off. Oh yeah, let's make it. Make it out to the garden. We can do our shits, smoke our cigarettes. So yeah, this is my view from my window. So I'm gonna go out for a little smoke now.